Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Revolut Crypto Trading. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of buying and selling cryptocurrencies on the Revolut platform. First, you need to download and install the Revolut app, available for both iOS and Android devices. Once installed, sign up for an account by providing the required personal details and verifying your identity. After verification, you will be able to access the cryptocurrency section of the app. To start trading, you need to add funds to your Revolut account. You can do this by linking your bank account or credit card to the app. Revolut supports various payment methods, making it easy to deposit funds. Once your account is funded, navigate to the cryptocurrency section of the app. Here, you will see a list of available cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy and select the amount you want to invest. Revolut allows you to buy cryptocurrencies using a variety of fiat currencies, including US dollars, euros, and pounds. The app will display the current market price of the cryptocurrency, and you can choose to buy at the current price or set a limit order to buy at a specific price. When buying cryptocurrencies, it is essential to understand the fees associated with the transaction. Revolut charges a small fee for cryptocurrency transactions, which varies depending on your account type and the cryptocurrency being traded. To sell your cryptocurrencies, navigate to the cryptocurrency section of the app and select the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Choose the amount you want to sell and confirm the transaction. The funds will be credited to your Revolut account, and you can withdraw them to your bank account or use them to buy other cryptocurrencies. It is crucial to understand the risks associated with cryptocurrency trading. Cryptocurrency prices can be volatile, and the value of your investment can fluctuate rapidly. It is essential to do your research, set a budget, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. In conclusion, Revolut crypto trading is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following this guide, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrencies on the Revolut platform. Remember to always do your research, understand the fees, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With Revolut, you can take control of your cryptocurrency investments and start building your portfolio today.